Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm David.
We thought we'd talk to you today because this week is really big for Welsh housing. As Welsh Government are launching their much anticipated affordable housing review recommendations.
And this is a big thing from Welsh Government. It'll shape a lot of Welsh housing policy over the next few years. The launch is at 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning, and Elizabeth and I will be there. And straight after the launch is CIH's TIE conference, and so we'll be able to get views straight away from people in the sector.
So what is this review likely to cover or recommend? Well, there are 10 workstream areas and we were in 2 of those workstreams in rents and standards. So I think it's likely that there's going to be some kind of rent reform recommendation. Will they continue their policy of above inflation rent rises in order to build more homes and to raise standards and stuff? Or will they be looking at local living rent policies, like we've seen at the Trevallis and Merthyr Valley. And then probably as well in terms of standards reform, so in terms of standards I mean the type of homes that they're going to be building moving forward. So it could include something along the lines of greater flexibility on space standards, issues like health and safety, sprinklers, and hopefully new recommendations on more greener, lower carbon footprint homes.
So Wednesday, look out for our social media. We'll have thoughts, reports, videos from Elizabeth and myself as the day goes on. And next week we'll probably do a more detailed report for you.
And we are actually going to set up some free webinars for our members where we can go through the recommendations and get your views as well and what we can do moving forward.
That's it really?
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.